Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Gorenje brand dishwasher and it's giving you an E7 error and you're trying to figure out what is this error and is there anything that you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, a little bit of bad news is the E7 error is not an easy homeowner fix like a drain error or something like that, because the E7 error is an error saying that the temperature sensor, there's an open circuit, so the circuit is not being completed on the temperature sensor. So this could be happening for a couple of reasons. There might be a wire that has come loose, and it could also just be that your temperature sensor has gone bad. And you're probably going to need to call a professional to fix this error. But at least when you call the professional, you'll be able to tell them and you'll already know what's going on. And if you feel comfortable doing it, you can open the dishwasher up and look for any loose wires or anything like that. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least understand what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.